Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the 5 healthiest Mediterranean recipes you absolutely have to try. We're talking big flavors, fresh ingredients, and food so good, you won't believe it's healthy. The Mediterranean diet is famous for being good for you from your heart to your brain. And the best part, it's super tasty. We'll be checking out dishes packed with flavor, from a bright Greek salad to smooth and creamy hummus. Let's get started. First up is a classic that always delivers, the amazing Greek salad. We're talking juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, salty olives, and creamy feta cheese that's just calling your name. The secret to a really good Greek salad is using the freshest ingredients you can get your hands on. A nice pour of olive oil adds a rich flavor. Top it off with some dried oregano and a dash of salt and pepper, and you've got a salad fit for a king. Next up, let's talk hummus. This creamy dip is a Mediterranean must-have, and there's a good reason why. Made with simple ingredients like chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic, it's full of protein, fiber, and flavor. Forget the store-bought stuff. Making your own hummus is super easy, and it tastes way better. Just throw everything in a blender and mix it up until it's smooth and creamy. You can make it thicker or thinner by adding a little water or the liquid from the chickpea can. Serve your homemade hummus with warm pita bread, veggies, or even in a sandwich. Now for the main course. Grilled fish is a big part of the Mediterranean diet, and it's easy to see why. It's light, tasty, and packed with omega-3s, which are great for your heart and brain. When you grill fish, keep it simple. Choose a firm white fish like sea bass, cod, or snapper. Season it with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Serve your perfectly grilled fish with roasted veggies or a simple salad for a healthy and delicious meal. Let's talk taboule, a fresh and exciting salad that'll make your taste buds happy. This Middle Eastern favorite is a bulgur wheat salad loaded with fresh herbs, juicy tomatoes, and a zesty lemon dressing. The secret to awesome taboule is using finely chopped parsley and mint. Mix them with cooked bulgur, diced tomatoes, and a simple dressing of lemon juice, olive oil, and salt. Let it sit for a bit so the flavors can mix, and you've got a salad that's bursting with freshness. Last but not least, we have something a little more adventurous. Stuffed grape leaves, also called dolmas. These little bundles of flavor take some time to make, but trust me, they're worth it. Grape leaves are stuffed with rice, herbs, and sometimes ground meat, then rolled up and cooked until they're soft. You can change up the filling however you like, but I like to keep it simple with rice, chopped parsley, mint, dill, and a squeeze of lemon. Dolmas are usually cooked in a pot with water or broth, but you can also bake them. Serve them warm or cold as an appetizer or side dish. Thanks for watching. If you like these recipes, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below telling us which recipe you'll try first. These Mediterranean dishes aren't just good for you, they're super tasty. So, skip the takeout and get cooking. Until next time, happy cooking.